We just shipped a new feature, and our customers have questions. Well, question. I guess our support team will have to answer this 73 times, or we could be a bit more proactive here and save us those recurring tickets. We'll scan our Slack threads, find the FAQs, turn them into detailed explainer videos, and share it with our customers. And the best part is that we'll do it all in Claude with the Clueso MCP. Clueso is an AI-powered video creation tool which can take any form of content and create a video in minutes. You can upload a rough screen recording, a PPT, a PDF, or just a simple prompt, and Clueso turns it into a video project. The Clueso MCP allows you to create videos with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI agent. Using your existing systems on these platforms, you can set up multi-tool workflows, create content at scale, and edit every project end-to-end manually or with AI. So let's get cracking. I'm here in Claude with both the Slack and Clueso MCPs connected. Let me show you how. Connecting the Clueso MCP takes less than a minute. Since we're working with Claude today, let's click on Customize and head to Connectors and add a custom connector. We'll name it Clueso and paste the Clueso MCP server URL right here. Now just click Add, sign into Clueso, and give tool permissions. Done. If you're working with Gemini, ChatGPT, Cursor, or VS Code instead of Claude, we've got a detailed setup video covering how to connect the Clueso MCP to all of the AI agents linked right here. The setup links for each are in the description below as well. Now, let's find out what our customers are asking. Pull the most recurring questions from our Slack support channel from last week. Then pull everything, the original message, all the thread replies, any context the team added. Next, give me an upload link for any screenshots or screen recordings I want to include. Once I confirm the upload, go ahead and build the full support video on Clueso, under 2 minutes, friendly and non-technical, clean professional voice, and give me the final video. We'll add our custom Claude skill here as well. Now, the skill is basically a set of instructions we give Claude to follow. This makes it repeat a specific process or style every time we run it. We've built a skill ready for you to just plug and use, which gives Claude instructions like color palette, font, and overall visual style, so the output is always consistent. You can grab the skill from the description below. Let's hit enter. Claude finds our Slack support channels, identifies the recurring threads from the past week, and pulls the full context, including our team's responses. However, there is a limitation. Slack's MCP can only access metadata and text, which means the context of any image or video in the thread aren't accessible to Claude, but we already added a clean workaround for it in the prompt. Clueso's MCP has given us a link to upload the relevant media files, so let's drop in the images relevant to the question. Now, Claude has both. The full conversational context from Slack, and all the visual assets we need for the support video. Alright, it's time to build the video. Claude calls Clueso's MCP to build the video, starting with creating the project, generating a script from the full context of how our team has been responding, picking an AI voice, generating the voiceover with emotion tags, adding our uploads, adding background music, and a title card of the FAQ.
Quick one. If you've gone looking for your orders in the new Acme portal and come up empty, you're in the right place. First, nothing is wrong with your account. We moved a few things around in last week's portal update. Open any order and the status and carrier tracking sit right at the top.
There, our support video is ready to share. Once the project is ready, we can still jump in and edit anything, the scripts, the visuals, the voice, whatever we want to tweak. The video lives in Clueso, so we can take the Clueso guide link and ask Claude to send it straight to our product marketing manager on Slack. There we go. No more tickets for this question now. Now we can rest for a bit. You know what? That's actually a pretty good question. You can find the link to Clueso in the description below and give this a shot yourself. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Drop a comment to let us know what you'd like us to cover next, and we'll catch you in the next one.